So we are going to unbox Silver Crest. So I got this from Jumia and we are going to unbox it. And later on, I'm going to bake bread and start cooking with it. So we are going to unbox it. So I bought it at 45,000 naira. So it is currently at 46,000. So I got a discount. So it was shipped to my address and I bought it from Jumia. Now we are going to unbox it. As you can see, these are different things that I can cook with it. I can do chicken and also fried something like French fries, pizza, fried fish and so on. I can also bake bread because there are all the instruction here. The degree I must use, everything is listed. So we are going to unbox it and then I will bake bread with it. So Silver Crest, let's unbox the new Silver Crest. And this one is over 6.5 liter according to the description, but currently it is showing 8 liter on the carton. So this is Silver Crest and this is the manual, because this manual is very important. So instruction manual, everything is written here, what you need to do and what you must not to do. So this is the Silver Crest, as you can see. Let's take it out. So I'm going to take it out first. So we are going to drop this carton. So taking it out. So unboxing everything. This is also needed, as you can see. These are all the instruments. Taking it out. So Silver Crest, and you see this is the pot. I think this is over how many liters? Some said it is over 6.5 liters, but I don't even think so. So this is the pot, and this will be used. This is what we place in the pot to start baking or cooking. So this is the inside, as you can see. The inside is something like, there's something here, you should look it. So the inside has something like iron. So this is what this is what is cooking them, and I think this can also turn. So based on some users' reviews, some say there is some kind of plastic product in it, but I haven't tested it yet. So this is just the unboxing videos. Once tested, I will discover it myself, because I think inside it is plastic. So these are plastic and people need to be aware of it, because if you are not aware that this Silver Crest is a plastic thing, because before I purchased it I thought it was some kind of iron, but I didn't know it was plastic. So I bought it at Jumia, so it will make food easy to cook. You can fry fish, crayfish, even bread and chicken. So this is Silver Crest, the 6.5 liter, sold at 45,500 at Jumia. So you can also use it if you want. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon, because in the coming section or next videos I will be cooking with it and also baking bread with it. So I bought it especially for baking bread, because I want to be baking my own bread by myself. That is why I bought this. So thank you for watching.